Okay, Jackie, are you ready to taste our banana bread? Let's hope it tastes better than the batter, huh?
Like the other bread.
Well, what do you think?
Good.
Does it taste good?
Yeah. Excavators like it.
Excavators like it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. He was good.
What do you think Mommy and Daddy would say if they saw you using your toy to dig in your food?
Do not.
What does Grandma say?
Do not put your foot in the food.
Then what are you doing?
Because he wants some.
Oh, he wanted some?
Yeah.
Take another bite and tell me what you think of your banana bread.
Good.
Well, good or bad?
Good.
Good? Does it taste better than the batter tasted? No, you didn't like the batter.
I did want the banana bread.
But the bread tastes good, huh?
But I don't like it.
Is it a thumbs up?
It's a thumbs down.
What?
But the excavator likes it.
The excavator likes it?
Yeah, he does.
Does Jackie like it?
No.
You don't like the banana bread?
No.
Well, what are we going to do then?